Sunday afternoon. Right now we are tracking a total weather alert for you. We've had several rounds of severe storms moving through, and right now there's one aiming towards the Portland area. So right now, as we take a wider look at what's coming our way, we do have that severe warning storm. Now another one has been put in place as we look just solely at Cumberland County. We're going to take you full screen right now to show you a close-up of what's heading our way. So you can see all of that dark purple there with the heaviest rainfall coming in. The severe warning storm that's flashing right now, you can actually see that's encompassing areas like Yarmouth, Portland, portions of Scarborough. Gorham has already seen this storm going through. A lot of heavy rain, a lot of frequent lightning. Now this is actually moving to the east at 45 miles per hour, which right now, when I just looked at the highway speed, that's what most people are kind of going at. So it's picking up speed actually, and we are looking at some gusts capable up to 60 miles per hour. And the hail size, we're looking at hail capable up to $half sized. So definitely take this storm serious. Now it's going to be moving 45 miles per hour to the east. Now this will mean that we are going to be looking at this in and out of here in the next 45 minutes or less. That warning ending here in the next half hour. So as we took a look up the mid coast, they've already seen their round of severe weather earlier this afternoon. Now you guys are just seeing a lot of the line, at least, of rain and heavy showers. Now as we take a look towards Portland, you can see off the main DOT camera, that looks pretty ominous. Now what we're actually seeing is some of the different temperatures happening there. The rain's falling behind that to the screen to the left, and out ahead of it you have a lot of moisture. So if you're heading into Portland and you're seeing this view right now, this is the severe warning storm. You need to get inside into the lowest floor possible because we're seeing a lot of lightning. This is lightningmaps.org, and all of those yellows, and you can see the circles coming out of that. That's current, and that's what's being picked up on satellite right now. So we are under a severe storm warning. This is happening now, and as we go over the next few hours, these storms could continue to develop. Some could become strong to severe. Once this cold front is out of here, we're going to see a lot more relief. But I do just want to hone in one more time, at least, on that severe warning storm over Portland. So taking a further look, we have had some hail reports, even some damage from trees in the Westbrook area. So give me 1 second to look at the hail potential here. You're looking at this purple swath going from Windham to Yarmouth. Now we are not going to be seeing all of that hail falling in this amount of time, but in the next 30 minutes or so, as the system continues to progress, this is what we could be looking at. So again, once more looking at that severe warning storm. Right now, the bulk of it is crossing over Route 1, 302, I-95 near Windham and New Gloucester, and all the reds just saying, okay, this is a lot of heavy rainfall. In the purple, you can actually see some of that hail, again, up to about $half sized. So not everyone will see that, but just know that that is the potential here. So right now, as we widen out your view, I'm going to send you back to regularly scheduled programming. But for Minnesota Weather, I'm Emily Pike.